Go on. Yes! Go on! Right, I'm here with Amy Houghton and debut Lily, who won today's game. Amy, clean sheet.
Yeah, great to get a clean sheet here today and moving up to third in the league. Wroxham were third and we've taken their place, so it's really good. We had some great chances and I felt that we should have been up in the first half, so it's nice to put one away quite early on into the second half, and then we maintained the win throughout. Hard conditions on the pitch, it's not the best pitch to play on, and really foggy and cold, but we got the win and it's great to be third.
Lily, obviously your debut today.
Yeah, well, everyone's really friendly and it was good to get a win on my first game. It was really good, yeah.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you.